Hello again, this is part 2 as I promised you. Actually, I put it just quickly, the second camera I put it here. As you see, the another plug is here, and then I put just this around here, and I tried just to push it here, and then from here until this is the driver side, as you see, just like that, in the plastic thing, just inside of it I dropped on it, so it goes to the behind side of the car. I just hang it there, as you see it, just to test it if it's working, if it's, everything is okay. So as you see, I can see the back side of my car just always, and if I press on this button, so you will see like this. No, this button, sorry, the another one. So this is the front, as you see here, my hand, front of it, and the back one, as you see, just above. But if you press here one more time, so you see the back side, or just half on half. This is the front one and the back one, as you see it, and it works. Actually, if you put your car also in reverse, I didn't connect it yet, but I just tried it out. So you see here the limits for your car, where you just park, or it's I'm sorry, it's a green line, and red one, it's just divided if you want to park, so you can see where you are actually parking. It's really wonderful. This is, and it costs only 20 euros. I've bought it here from eBay. So I hope, as I told you, this video was helpful, and I hope you give it a thumb up. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.